and welcome to another Cabletiesandmore video. Today, I'd like to tell you about our stainless steel cable ties. Our stainless steel cable ties are the perfect companion for any project that would be exposed to harsh environments where corrosion, vibration, weathering, radiation, and temperature extremes are concerned. Made out of type 304 stainless steel, these cable ties are flame retardant, non-toxic, CSA and UL certified, RoHS compliant, and will not rust or corrode over time. Our stainless steel ties range from 5 to 33 inches in length and are available in either a standard duty 200-pound tensile strength, a heavy duty 300-pound tensile strength, or an extra heavy duty 485-pound tensile strength, depending on the size you order, and all feature a self-locking ball bearing head for hassle-free installation. Our ties are rated for temperatures of minus 112 degrees to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit and can last up to 25 years outdoors. These ties are available in 25 or 100 piece packs, and while you can tighten these ties by hand, we do recommend you purchase a stainless steel cable tie gun with your order for safety purposes. Interestingly enough, a few of our over 200,000 customers are fishermen and use stainless steel ties to secure their lobster traps while underwater for long periods of time. Stainless steel ties are better trusted for harsh outdoor applications compared to nylon ties because, unlike nylon ties, stainless steel is not at risk of drying out. Over time, nylon ties can become brittle and are at risk of breaking when exposed to the elements. That being said, for projects that require a tie to last, it may be worth investing a bit more in stainless steel ties over nylon ties to avoid headaches and cost overruns in the future. To learn more or to place your order, click the links in the description or give us a call today at 1-877-284-7760.